All right, so I wanted to do a quick little video here of our roof wash. Obviously we got the batch that we're pulling, that's the roof mix right there. And then we got a guy on the ground doing the protection on landscape plants and that kind of thing. We did treat over on this side here, but you can kind of see the stark contrast. You got a lot of the black algae right here, and then as you rinse, it's turning more to the gray type of a color over on that side. Once this all gets rinsed over, it'll be that light gray. So you may think that you have a clean roof, and then you realize that you really don't. You can see right here actually that a lot of that's starting to detach and lighten up, and that's what we want to see on the roofs. So this is the garage, the first side of the garage. We'll go ahead and hit this one really good, and then we'll move on to the house.